name is Austin. Today I will present this Phonics Smart Pen Kit. There are 17 books you can read. Come in this magic pen reader. I will show you how to use it. Let's start. Envelope. Elephant. Enter. Fan.
Pet cat had a can.
Pet cat had a can.
A can of jam.
A can of jam.
Pat cat sat on a mat.
Pet cat sat on a mat.
To office oranges, is the sound of
Circle the correct word for each picture.
Neck. Mom is very useful, kid. That's how I learn my English. Bye bye.